Lines today, a judge has ruled that Richland School District 1, the board members violated state law after meeting behind closed doors.
That meeting was in regards to the Vince Ford Early Learning Center. Our Cassidy Byer explains what's going on tonight.
Following the halt of construction on the Vince Ford Early Learning Center, Richland One board members met behind closed doors on February 1st at their regularly scheduled meeting to approve recommendations for the project that were never specified. But a Richland County resident, Clint Wallace, said the board violated the Freedom of Information Act by not disclosing what they discussed to the public. Wallace then filed a lawsuit, and now a judge has sided with him.
But any member of the public who wanted to know what the board was doing about the Vince Ford Early Learning Center is completely in the dark on the basis of this meeting, and that's contrary to the law.
Jay Bender is a constitutional law lawyer who has dealt with questions about when and what parts of public meetings must be open.
Had the chair stated before going into executive session, we're going to receive information, we're going to receive legal advice relative to the Vince Ford Early Childhood Center, that discussion could have been held in executive session. Apparently there was a full-blown discussion about what action to take, and when the board came back into open session, it said we're going to do what we said we would do in executive session, which is entirely illegal.
The school district said in a statement that there was no evidence to support the allegation that they took secret action, and believed that that private meeting was covered by attorney-client privilege, which means they couldn't disclose any of that discussion. However, the South Carolina Freedom of Information Act declares that public bodies, such as school boards, must conduct the public's business in public.
Its response should have been, we're going to discuss this in public, we're going to tell you how we screwed up, and we're going to tell you what we did to fix it.
Wallace, who sued, currently has a 15-day window to submit a proposed order for the court's consideration. Following those 15 days, Richland One will have 10 days to respond in writing to that proposal by the plaintiff. Reporting from Columbia, Cassidy Byer, News 19 WLTX.